Today we're gonna be changing the door handle on a 2015 Chevrolet Impala. So the first thing I've already done is taking out the little hand piece here and the corner piece up here and the reflector light. That's how you're gonna get to all the bolts you need to take out so you can start removing the door panel. All right, so the next thing you want to do is just take a panel tool, any kind of little tool, even a flathead screwdriver will work. You just want to go around the back of here and pop this door all the way off around the side. And then what you're going to come and do is you're going to lift up and bring it out. It's going to be attached on the back side of this door with a cable going to the speaker and another cable for the actual door handle mechanism. And so you'll just have to disconnect that. All right, so the first cable bundle that I'm going to take apart right here is going to be this big bundle. You want to squeeze on both sides and pull. Sometimes these can be stubborn to get off, but you want to take your time with it because you don't want to break it. So you just take it, pull. There's a little lever you can turn right there, and you just ease it out. All right, the next thing you want to do is the door handle mechanism. So it just pops right out. You're gonna get your flathead, get up under just like this, pop it right out, lift up, and you are detached. Now you got the whole door panel off the side. All right, the next thing to do is to take off this grommet. This is gonna give you access to the bolts behind here, and to also take off this whole water shield right here. You want to peel this off slowly because you do need to keep it and you want it to be able to stick back on good. The best way to do this is with a razor blade. That way you can get right up next to it and it's easy to just follow the edge and you don't end up ripping this piece. We now have access to the inside of the door, and this is where you're going to have the bolts that you're going to take off to actually remove the door handle. Up in here, there's one bolt here and another bolt over there that is holding the door on. You also have these metal pieces here that you are going to have to disconnect. That yellow tab is going to have to open up and it's going to release that lower rod. And then there's another one up here where that blue piece is, where you're going to unhook that, and that's going to allow you to take the whole door handle out. Now that I've taken off the 10mm bolts that were attached, there's a tab there that's still holding the handle inside the door. So I'm just going to snap that tab out right there, and the handle should come cleanly out. Okay, as you can see, I have the old door handle off, and the locking part is still actually attached. That's because there's one more 10mm bolt that I actually need to take off. So I'll go right back around inside, and it's just right above where that other bolt was taken off. So I'll take that off, and that way I can take the locking part out also, so I can slide it into the new handle. Okay, I got the lock out, and right now you can take a better look at that blue piece that was attached in there. I guess I didn't explain before how I got that metal rod out. You see it's open on the end, so it kind of just pops right on out. So you don't have to like try to wiggle or backwards pull it out. You just pop it out to the side. And so now I'm just going to slide this into the new handle and get started with the installation. All right, all the bolts are back in. The metal rods have been snapped back into place. So the only thing left to do is to put that water shield back on, and then we're going to put the door panel itself back on and snap the clips back into place. And as you can see, the handle does work as advertised. No more broken handles. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.